Good morning to all. Today we will discuss second half of the chapter number 3 Glimpses of the Past from book Honeydew for class 8th. Come to number 6 Dissatisfaction. Education in India was in Persian and Sanskrit. In 1835, an Englishman named Macaulay suggested a change. We should teach the natives, means the Indians, through the English language. I agreed. In 1835, Lord Macaulay suggested that the medium of education in India should be English, and the proposal was carried. Macaulay's full name is Thomas Babington Macaulay, and he is also known as Lord Macaulay. English education produced clerks to whom the British gave petty jobs under them. Petty means small. Incidentally, it also produced a new generation of intellectuals. We must educate our brothers and try to improve their material conditions. For that, we must convey our grievances to the British Parliament. Grievances means complaints. The aim was to produce an army of clerks to help the British. It happened, but it also produced a new generation of intellectuals. In 1856, the British had conquered the whole of India. They cared little about the needs of Indians. Our kings have become puppets. Puppets means Katputliyan, and we have lost our old jobs and lands. They are converting our brothers. You only talk, do something to drive them out. Drive means turn out by force. Some of them try to educate the people. Some decided to convey the complaints of the people to the British Parliament. In 1856, the British were ruling the whole of India. Now they cared little about their needs, and the dissatisfaction in the public began to grow. People wanted to get rid of the British. Come to next part. The sparks. Taxes continue to ruin the peasants. In Bengal and the Santals, who had lost their lands under new law rules, became desperate. Desperate means reckless. In 1855, they rose in a rebellion and massacred means killed Europeans and their supporters alike. Under the new rules, Santals had become desperate. In 1855, they killed Europeans and their servants also. Discontent means dissatisfaction was brewing. Brewing means developing in East India Company's army too. The white soldiers gets pay mansions to live in. Servants. Mansions means big houses. While we get up pittance and slow promotions. Pittance means finish. The Angrez ask us to cross the sea, which is against our religion. Who is the topi wala to abolish our age-old customs? We must drive out the Angrez. Sepoy Mangal Pandey attacked the adjutant of his regiment and was executed. Adjutant means army officer who assist in administrations. Thousands of other sepoys revolted. They were stripped of their uniforms. Stripped means deprived of, वंचित कर देना. Humiliated and put in irons. A spy named Mangal Pandey attacked the adjutant of his regiment and he was executed. Few Englishmen had cared to understand the Indian customs or the people's mind. So these were the common beings who were talking about the Britishers. Oh, proud Brahmin soldiers, do you know that the grease on the bullet you have to bite is made from the fat of cows and pigs? What? The white man has deceived us too. Deceived means cheated. The English did not care about Indian customs. And soon what happened? Chapatis were sent from village to village to tell the people that their emperor would want their services. Similarly, lotus flowers circulated among Indian soldiers, that too foreigners. The masses gave all help and shelter to the patriots. Patriots means lovers of motherland. Then chapatis were sent from village to village. With them was the message that their native emperor would want their services. Similarly, a lotus flower was circulated among Indian soldiers. The people also gave all help and support. Revolt. Then there was a violent outbreak at Meerut. The sepoys marched to Delhi. Live long our Emperor Bahadur Shah. The rebellion spread wider. Many landlords had lost their lands because of the British policies and they were sore. Sore means bitter, means dukhi hona. The white man's rule must end. Yes, we will help you. The sepoys who had revolted marched to Delhi. They were shouting slogans in favor of Bahadur Shah Jafar. The rebellion spread wider. Many landlords who had lost their lands, they helped the revolt. The fight for freedom. Many former rulers like Begum Hazrat Mahal of Lucknow were bitter. The white man has taken away my kingdom. They joined the upsurge against the foreigners. Upsurge means sudden increase. Popular leaders like Maulvi Ahmadullah of Faizabad told the people, rise, brother, rise. The Angrez is ruining our land. The people rose everywhere in Bareilly, Kanpur, and Allahabad. So, rulers like Hazrat Mahal of Lucknow, they were also bitter because the English kingdom had taken their lands away from them. Popular leaders like Maulvi Ahmadullah of Faiziabad urged the common man to revolt. Azimullah Khan told Tatia Tope, we should have Peshwa Nana Sahib as our leader in this war of independence. The patriots pounced upon the British. Pounced means jumped and fought pitched battles all over North India. Pitched means great. Azimullah Khan told Tatia Tope to make Nana Sahib the leader of that war of independence. All over North India, the people fought great battles against the British. 80-year-old Kunwar Singh of Bihar received a bullet in his wrist. Mother Ganga, this is my last offering to you. Then this Kunwar Singh of Bihar received a bullet in his wrist. He just cut it off. Throwing it into the Ganga, he said that it was his last offering.